What's going on, people? I'm super excited for my first ever brand new Amouage unboxing. Previously, I purchased Sunshine Man, which was a partial bottle from one of the community members, and I really apologize if you hear some clicks and hisses and some buses passing by because I'm doing this recording on my phone and my microphone's connected over here, but I'm not going to do any kind of special processing, so just bear with it. I'm super excited. I just could not hold it back. So I had to make a video. This is Enclave from Amouage, and this is the brand new packaging. I think before it used to be like a smaller one. So let's get cracking, guys. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get cracking. I'm super excited, like to the point where I just literally had this tiny little piece of paper that I'm going to use as the tester strip. All right, box. All right, super excited. Super excited. All right, wow. I'm liking this artwork, and this is on the phone, guys, so don't, like expect too much good colors or stuff like that like I usually do with my other videos. I'm gonna do a full review, but wow, loving it. This is good. So the sleeve comes off, and there's some kind of a design on the interior. I don't know if you can see it. Wow, that's a nice and beautiful box. Look at this. I mean, luxury, huh? Wow. And it says Oman. I don't know if you can see it. Oman. Beautiful, beautiful. Loving it. And over here, what does it say? It says the gift of kings. Nice. So the bottle sits like that, and it's almost like a very deep green bottle. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some first impression stuff and just wait up until I do my full review. So just bear with me, guys. I'm super excited, like I said. First ever Amouage in my collection, like brand new. Wow. So the cap, of course, is magnetic. And for those of you want to see, this is Enclave from Amouage. Let's go ahead and spray it on. Wow. I can still already smell this thing off the atomizer. Just check it. Yeah, there's no leak or anything. So here goes, guys. Okay, wow. Very different. It's kind of like a minted thing. Like I have not even looked up the whole note thing. Like I'm not looking at any notes right now, but off the top it's very energizing, refreshing, almost like that zesty, refreshing, cooling mint. Some darkness coming through, almost like wet rocks, like beside the sea beach, like the wet rocks, the waves splashing, just like the video on the Amouage website, or their YouTube channel. They have an Enclave video, like a trailer for this fragrance. Beautiful. Yeah, it's coming off strong. Some woodiness coming through, and the mint. Let me do a couple of sprays on my forearm here. Beautiful stuff. Sprays a lot of juice. Okay, comes off a bit bitter in the opening on from the skin. Then it starts opening up. It's definitely the woody masculine side is showing up at this point. Some darkness to it. The menthol comes through a bit later when I spray it on skin, like as opposed to paper, it's behaving differently on the skin. So look at the like shiny oil splash over here. Wow. It's gonna take a while. Definitely some Middle Eastern facet to it, but that's expected. It's made in Oman, right? Loving it. Totally loving it. This is Amouage Enclave. Guys, my first brand new Amouage in the collection. Stay tuned and hey. I just got a new jacket. You like it? Comment. Let me know. Beautiful stuff. You take care, guys. See you on the next one.